omurimo guno gwije kwezaho Biriyooni emwe n'eshicweka okuhwera emyanya erimu Butengo, Kisunyu, Rwamashenyi, Kijuguta, Bugomora, Kijeyo, Kashenyi, Rusheke, Nyamiyaga, Rugobwe, Nyamasinda, Kabitojo, Mumatare, Kajaji, Rwakihinga, Kabaya, Kyanamuzinga, Birara, Nyakarembe, Kisagara, Kyogo, Bambamushenyi hamwe na Kateretere.
Of course, in some areas, some of you who live in Kampala or in Kabale, you take water for granted because you have water in the tap, water in the homes. But when we came to these places, we found that there are areas in this country which have less than 50% access to water. Honorable Minister, rural water coverage in Kisoro is at 44%. Urban water coverage is at 75%. Overall district water coverage is 59%. Therefore, we have been having gaps in water supply, and especially this part of Uchibiri constituency, whose terrain is not easy.
Honorable Sara Mateke, or Minister w'enshonga z'abaana n'eminyeeto, asiimira ministry okuhwera abaturage okubasya hiha amaizi omu nshozi.
So I want to thank the contractor, Ministry of Water, for accepting to come and work in this hard-to-reach area where we have the most beautiful place in the world.
Minister Mateke hona hijira abaturage okurinda enshoro z'amaizi.
Ubwo akacweka kanyu kaza gukura n'ebintu bishatu biri kutuma akacweka kakura: amaizi, amashanyarazi n'omuhanda. Mwamwine ebyo ubwo mumanye ngo ba investor baza kora ki, baza kwija. So nenda kubasima munonga.
Government mugisime, Ministry of Water mugisime, musima bebembezi banyu kuruga chairman RC wana bakoze umurimo kugira ngo bakonvisinge badidasa barayinge mundi mugateye itaka.
Okutaha amaizi okuruga omu ruhanga kibire nikitwara abaturage eshayi 3 okuhikaho amaizi aho gari.
Era tuli basanyufu okulaba nti mutukwasiza site okutandika emirimo mu ntongole nga njagala okubakakasa nti tuli ready okukola omulimo guno. Mu wiki emu tugenda kuba tumaze okujja okusite.
Omubwire bw'ekyanda ejerikani y'amaizi omu kyanga eki neba negura hagati ya shiringi 5 okuza ha 10, ekintu ekitwire nikiteganisa abaana okuza omu mashomero gashakwa keta tuzarirwe.